Wagwan, what's great? Chef Adrian Meister again, man, presenting to you how to make tomato salsa. Yeah, man, eh?
You know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So I'm going to be showing you how to make the ultimate nacho bowl. But first, I want to take you step by step in how I prepare a few of the many condiments that I like to use in my nacho bowl. See, the goal is to reach 10k within the next month and a half. A chef can only dream, right? So yeah, man, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because many a times when you find us, the first thing you comment to me and say, Chef, where you this along? So forward, let me show you how go on. So we're gonna start the salsa by using some overripe tomatoes. I have 5 here. So you just want to ensure that your tomatoes are ripe and soft. You want to dice them. You don't have to be perfect, because remember, we're gonna mash them. But when you dice them, it mash easier. So we dice them about this big. Repeat this until you have all your tomatoes diced. You can either use your hands or use a potato masher, right? So that's perfectly fine to have a few chunks in there. We're gonna set this aside and work on our other ingredients. I have here washed a jalapeno pepper, right? However, I've already diced some before. I just wanted to show you what the jalapeno looks like for those who may not know. Depending on how hot you want it, you can choose to de-seed it. So you remove some of the seeds, because you know all that spice is in the seeds, right? I have here some diced red onions. I'm gonna go in with some garlic, some fresh cilantro, but ensure that you don't use a lot of this. It's very strong and has like a tanginess to it, so be careful how much cilantro you use. So we're gonna go in with the same amount of parsley. We're just gonna rough chop that. 1 tablespoon of oregano. I'm gonna go in with the juice of a fresh lime. So we got it nice and soft. We'll just kind of strain that so we don't get any seeds in it. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Just gonna mix all of that in. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get that nice vibrant red. Look as this color changes instantaneously. And what are we gonna use to preserve this? Pure white vinegar. Just gonna go in with a cork full. This is perfect right now, I'm telling you. Look how beautiful that looks. And there you have it. Just gonna put this in an airtight container and allow all those flavors to marinate and give us that beautiful salsa. You can enjoy this with some nice nacho chips or anything that you like salsa with. So once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.